In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use tooltips to create custom descriptions for visualizations in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence or FDI. Customizing tooltips in visualizations enables business users to display the most relevant context, such as additional metrics or descriptions, when hovering over data points. Custom tooltips enhance clarity and provide more context without cluttering the main chart, making it easier for users to quickly interpret data. In this scenario, I want to add additional contextual descriptions to my visualization data points beyond what is shown by default. By default, data point tooltips show the measure value and the attribute label. I can customize tooltips in two ways to add additional details, text, and formatting. Within the grammar pane, I'll click on the tooltip to access the custom tooltip. I can also go to the Properties panel in the General tab. I'll change tooltip from all data to custom. With the tooltip grammar only setting, I can add columns like average tenure to the tooltip section in the grammar pane. Then when I hover over that data point, only the columns in the tooltip section will appear. Now I'll select all data in tooltip in Properties. Then in the grammar panel, I'll select Custom for Tooltip. This brings up the Custom Tooltip dialog, which will have all of the columns used in the visualization and the measure in the tooltip grammar. Next, I'll add additional text and formatting to this tooltip to provide additional context. When I add text to the description, I need to move the column labels and values to fit in the right places in my description. The Add Data icon allows me to add additional column labels and values if I need to use them in multiple places in the tooltip description. I can also format the text font and color for emphasis, along with other formatting options, or even select Reset to reset the formatting. I can select the Preview feature to display what the tooltip will look like. I'll select OK, and now my visualization's data points have tooltips with custom text, formatting, and additional data. Now my consumers have the additional context they need when they explore data points with custom tooltips and charts. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.